Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Pyrrole is an electron-rich aromatic heterocycle. Electrophilic aromatic substitution, EAS, on pyrrole preferentially occurs at the C2 position, alpha position, adjacent to nitrogen, rather than the C3 position, beta position. This is because the transition state intermediate, sigma complex, formed by attack at C2 is more stable. The positive charge can be delocalized onto nitrogen at the alpha position more effectively than at the beta position. Reasoning: in pyrrole, the nitrogen lone pair is part of the aromatic system and donates electron density most effectively to the C2 and C5, alpha, positions. When an electrophile attacks at C2, the resulting arenium ion has 3 resonance structures, one of which places the positive charge directly on nitrogen, which is stabilized by the nitrogen lone pair. When attack occurs at C3, beta, only 2 resonance structures are available and the positive charge cannot be placed directly on nitrogen, making this intermediate less stable. For sulfonation, electrophilic substitution with SO3 or H2SO4, the electrophile preferentially attacks at the most electron-rich and kinetically thermodynamically favored position, which is C2, alpha position, of pyrrole. In the numbering shown in the question, the NH is at position 1, C2 is the alpha carbon adjacent to NH, which corresponds to answer option B is equal to position 2, C3 is the beta position, marked with arrow 3, and C4 is the other beta position, marked with arrow 4. Why other options fail? Option A, C1, this is the nitrogen atom bearing NH, not a carbon. Substitution does not occur here under normal EAS conditions. Option C, C3, beta position, less favored due to less effective lone pair delocalization. Option D, C4, also a beta position, less favored for the same reason as C3. Therefore, sulfonation is most favorable at C2, alpha position adjacent to NH. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.